everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I have the brand new Lilly Jade 3.0 insert and I can't wait to tell you guys all about it, and I also am going to show you how I pack it up and what all can fit in here. But before I do that, I would love if you guys would give this video a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. So let's get started. So this is Lilly Jade's newest insert, the 3.0. And if you are new to Lilly Jade, each of their diaper bags comes with a bag-in-bag insert to help keep all of yours and baby's items organized and secure for easy access. And there are actually a lot of great changes that they've made to this bag and bag organizer, even more functional than the previous version. So let's start with this feature, the fact that this bag is freestanding. There's not even anything in here, it is just freestanding on its own, so I love that. And this is the front of the insert. You have the beautiful Lilly Jade logo plate here in gold, and I have it here in the jade color for reference. You also have these two zippered pockets on the very front here, and the front right pocket, this one here, is actually antimicrobial, so you can place passies and other things in this pocket to keep them clean. And these are actually pretty good size too. I will show you guys my hand inside of this one for reference. Goes about halfway up my wrist here, so it's a pretty good sized pocket. You could put a lot of different things down in there. You also have these adorable little grab handles on top here, and they are just the perfect grab and go length, so you can just pull this in and out of your bag no problem. If you have another bag you want to transfer all of your baby things into, you just pull this out of one bag and put it right back into another. I love that. On the sides here, you have elastic bottle pockets on each side, and you also have a D-ring on each side of the bag, which is new. So you can use this bag crossbody over the shoulder. I had a friend ask me if this bag fits great on a stroller, and the answer is yes, it is perfect to be your little stroller caddy while you're out and about. If you don't want to take your whole bag with you, just pull this right out, stick it on your stroller, and you're good to go. Lilly Jade has a lot of really cute straps you can use to wear this crossbody, and I will link that down below for you if you'd like to shop with me for all of your Lilly Jade goodies. Now the back of this bag features two good size elastic pockets, and these are the perfect size to hold your diapers and wipes. I really like them. They feel really nice and thick and durable, and so do the front pockets as well, and the side bottle pockets too. So that is a basic look at the outside of the bag. Let's go ahead and jump onto the inside and see what's in there. Real quick, I did want to mention that the back of the bag has this really cute little clip here you can put your keys on and things like that. It's just really handy little pocket over here too that you can just stick your keys right into. So I love that. But let's go ahead and jump onto the inside. So this is the very top. I'm going to go ahead and zip it real quick so you guys can see how this looks when it's all zipped. So that is what the top of the bag looks like. Isn't that super nice? I love that. The 3.0 seriously has so much going for it. I love it. So on the top here, as you can see, you have a nice long zipper with a decently long tail over here as well. So when you unzip it, it opens up pretty far. And that is what the inside of your bag looks like. But there are some really neat things that Lilly Jade has added in here this time around. So I did want to mention that the zipper on top really helps keep your stuff extra secure. So if you do decide to take this bag out as, let's say, your bag for the day, and you have it on your stroller, then you can just zip it closed like you would a normal bag, and it keeps all of your things without prying eyes looking at it. But if you wanted to get into it, or if, let's say, you don't want to use the zipper just goes straight flat down on the sides. So you have total access to everything, even though you do have a zipper on top. So it is really an option. If you don't want to have it zipped, you can totally have it open all the time too, which I think would work really great inside of your diaper bags. So the inside of the bag actually features some new insulated pockets, and I can't wait to show you those because they are really cool. So you have your first insulated pocket over here. If you guys can see that shiny bit. So these bottle pockets on the inside are insulated now. You have one on each side. That is a perfect place for baby bottles that you want to keep cool or warm. So I just love that. It's such a great feature. But one thing that I love even more is this new pocket that they've added on the insert, which is an insulated snack pocket. Isn't that cool? I just love it. And this is the perfect place to keep an ice pack, and you can put in go-go squeezes, you can put in fruit, things like that that you want to keep cold for yourself or for your baby. So I just love this pocket so much. Let's say you don't want to use it that way either. You can put other things in here too. So it's just really a great pocket. So I love that. And it's nice and flat back here as well. Now flipping this around, this is the front of the bag basically. So there is your Lilly Jade logo there. And so these are the front pockets. These are just elastic open pockets, and they are the perfect size for diapers and wipes. Now let's pack up this insert and see what all we can fit inside. So I just packed up the 3.0 insert into my Lilly Jade Madeline, and I have it here in Brandy. It fits in here like a glove. It is amazing, and I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out for you guys to show you what it looks like when you pull it out. It's really, really easy to put in too, by the way. I had it fully packed when I put it in here, so. Go. There you go. So this is it all packed up, and I'm looking forward to showing you guys exactly what I have in here. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the front pockets here. Remember, this is the antimicrobial pocket, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull out what I have in there. And I just threw a couple of toys in here that my son likes to put in his mouth. I have an almost 3-year-old, guys. I cannot believe he is almost 3 already. Next month. So these are basically like little cookie toys, and he loves to put them in his mouth and pretend that they are real cookies. So those I definitely want to keep in there, keep them nice and clean. That's all that I had in that pocket. In this pocket over here, I have a pack of tissues. And then I also have my little wallet. This is a Jujubee Be Charged. It's a very flat wallet, so it fits great in there. That's all that I had in the very front pockets here. Let's move on to the sides. So on the side over here, I have my iPhone 11 Max Pro. And I did try to fit it into the very front pockets here, but it was just a little taller than the zipper, so it did not work with that. But it does fit in this bottle pocket just fine. It also would fit in the back pockets over here just fine. So let's go ahead and do the back pockets since we are over here. So on this side, like I said, you have the little key leash. So I have my keys on there, and I just have them fitting into that pocket there. Has plenty of room for them, keeps them nice and separated from everything so nothing gets scratched. That's all I had in there. On this side here, I actually have my planner. This is a Happy Planner Mini, so that fits perfectly in this pocket over here. That's all that I had on the back. On the side here, I have my swell bottle. Now you'll remember that there are insulated pockets on the inside, however, swell bottles are already insulated, so you don't need to keep this in there. You can keep it on the side bottle pockets, which is great. So back to the front. Now let's jump onto the inside. So I was able to zip it on top, no problem. Nice smooth zipper all the way down to the tail. Now this is what I have on the inside. Now remember, all the pockets that were filled up on the outside take up a little bit of space on the inside of the bag. So right now it looks a little bit like you have some extra room, but I did not once the pockets were all filled up on the outside. So just keep that in mind. I'm going to bend this back just a little bit so you guys can see better. So I do have a cup over here in the insulated pocket. This is for my son. I do not have anything in the other insulated pocket. I really love this insulated pocket here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. That is what I have in there. I actually have a flatter ice pack, which I highly recommend for this type of pocket. This came with my Rubbermaid set of like lunch boxes or something. So if you guys have one of those, this fits great in there. Down in here, I have some Go-Go Squeeze, and I literally just this was room temperature when I put it in about 10 minutes ago, and now it's icy cold already, if that tells you anything. So that's awesome. I also have a little thing of blueberries down in there. So these are nice and cold as well. So this really does work great. I love that pocket. I think it's so handy. Especially if you have breast milk bags or something that you're taking with you and you need to keep them cold or let them just defrost really slow. That is a great idea. But anyways, back to what I was saying. So these pockets here are amazing. I couldn't believe how expandable they are. I love that. So I actually was able to fit in a KangaCare Little Learners over here. And this is a training pant, and I highly recommend these. They're amazing. So I have one of those. I also have a extra shirt for him and a little pair of shorts, and that all fit in that one pocket. So these are really, really expandable, very easy to access and pull things in and out of. On this pocket here, I have a smaller wet bag, just in case there's a wet mess. I also have a pack of wipes. So that fit great in there as well. So overall, I really, really, really like this insert, and I think it's great. I'd love to know what you guys think down in the comments below. Let me know what you think of this new insert. So now that you've seen it all packed up and you've seen how it fits in the Madeline, I also want to tell you the 3.0 insert fits perfectly in the Megan, the Rosie, Shaylee, Lori, Kaylin, Jennifer, and Anne-Marie bags. And the new 3.0 will be paired with the purchase of a Megan, Rosie, Shaylee, Madeline, and Kaylin bag. And if you want to purchase this separately, it will be available for pre-order in May. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe while you're here if you're new. Thanks for watching!